C-17 weighs almost 280,000 pounds. With a maximum cargo and fuel load, that gross weight rises to over a half million pounds. Notice the alternate wing tips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. And to give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are over 9 feet tall. Quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. Fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated but influenced with the control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. He's maneuvering to demonstrate a full-flap approach next as it completes its turn along here in front of us. The C-17 rolls to breeze. To a simulated short-field runway. This short capability allows the C-17 low-mass retreat to land in over 6,000 more airfields worldwide, currently available in commercial wide-body aircraft. The C-17 you see today weighs over 400,000 pounds. Its speed is approximately just 100